Seattle is home to some of the country's most advanced and competitive dental practices, and that means getting new patients isn't easy. With so many clinics vying for attention, how do you stand out? How do you not just get seen, but trusted? That's exactly why a targeted dental marketing strategy is essential. A smart, data-driven digital marketing plan doesn't just bring traffic, it brings real, high-quality patients. Today, we're diving into how specialized dental marketing in Seattle can give your practice an edge and keep your appointment calendar full. Why digital marketing matters for dental practices in Seattle. Patients in 2025 don't pick their dentist from the phone book. They go online. They search, evaluate, and compare. If your clinic doesn't show up where people are looking in Google results, social media, or local maps, you could be losing out on a huge chunk of business. Digital marketing isn't just about visibility, it's about building trust and showing up as a credible expert in your field. When people see educational content, strong reviews, and a professional website, they feel more confident in choosing you. Key digital marketing services for dentists. Here's what a dental-focused digital marketing strategy for Seattle clinics typically includes. SEO, search engine optimization, optimizing your website so you rank for high-value terms like dentist in Seattle, teeth whitening Seattle, or emergency dentist nearby. Local SEO helps you get found by people right in your area. PPC/paid ads, running Google ads or social media ads to reach patients who are actively searching for dental treatments. You can specifically target services like cosmetic dentistry, orthodontics, or teeth cleaning. Social media marketing, using platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase patient stories, before/after transformations, and educational content. This builds brand awareness and trust in the local community. Website development and optimization. Your website is your digital front door. It should be mobile-friendly, fast, and easy to navigate. Include clear service descriptions, a booking option, your team's BIOS, and patient testimonials to boost credibility. Content marketing. Publish blogs, videos, or guides on common dental topics, how to care for braces, benefits of regular checkups, or what to expect from a root canal. This not only helps with SEO but positions you as a thought leader in dentistry. Online reputation management. Get, track, and respond to reviews on platforms like Google and Yelp. Encourage satisfied patients to leave feedback and address any negative reviews in a thoughtful, professional way. This builds trust. Why dentists in Seattle should invest in SEO and digital marketing. More local visibility. By optimizing for local search, you make sure your practice appears when people in Seattle search for dental services. Cost-effective growth. Compared to traditional advertising, digital marketing is measurable and more budget-friendly. You can track exactly how many leads you're getting and where they're coming from. Credibility and trust. A professional website, good reviews, and high-quality content combine to make potential patients feel confident choosing you over competitors. Long-term growth. With a steady SEO strategy and smart advertising, your patient acquisition becomes more predictable over time rather than a hit-and-miss game. Why Indeed SEO is a smart partner for Seattle dental clinics. Indeed SEO specializes in working with dental practices. Their team understands the unique needs of dentists, including compliance, patient acquisition, and local competition. They don't just run ads or build websites. They build tailored, data-driven campaigns that help dental practices get more appointments, higher visibility, and stronger patient relationships. Whether you're a small clinic or a multi-location dental network, Indeed SEO can design a marketing plan that's just for you, focused on your services, your goals, and most importantly, your growth. If you run a dental practice in Seattle and you're ready to grow, now's the time. Investing in digital marketing isn't optional, it's a game changer. Get in touch with a specialized agency, build a clear marketing strategy, and start attracting the patients who are already looking for you. Don't let another prospective patient choose someone else. Take control of your growth and make your practice the first name people think of when they need dental care in Seattle.